The first step to win yourself is to wake up early. So, today's topic is quite interesting, and I know many are really struggling out of it. So, this is for you. Keep watching. Does sleeping early and waking up early is really matters for weight loss? Yes, of course, there are too many benefits we are going to get out of it. Are you waking up late, feeling less energetic, tired of snoozing alarm? This is for you. Keep watching. In this video, I'm just going to share few practical steps which I'm practicing quite some year and happy to share with you all and help others to develop this as a habit. Let's get started. Why we have to wake up early? Before doing anything, before trying to do something new, we should know why we are doing that. By knowing that, it will be easy for us to cultivate as a habit. Early morning is least distractive and our mind will be calm and it will be perfect time to give ourselves and we will be absolutely focused and productive. An ideal time for yoga, workout and meditation. So here are few practical steps which I followed. I am going to share with you all to cultivate as a habit. The first step is sleeping early. How many of us are sleeping early? It's because challenge, right? Now we are facing because of this modern world. Normally, if we go to bed at 10 p.m., it will be really easy for us to wake up at 6 a.m. Do we know anything about melatonin? It is a hormone, and many studies have proven that the person sleeps at 10 pm easily wake up at 6 am than the person sleeps late. Why some of us are not able to sleep early if it's a natural process? The idea is not to stimulate the mind but to calm it down and sleep early. Here are few steps which I am going to give to calm our mind and sleep early. These simple steps will help our mind to prepare to go to bed and sleep soon. Read simple bedtime books. Listen to soulful music. Use essential oil in bedroom. It really helps us to keep our mind calm. Take cold shower. Rub sesame oil on feet. It really helps us to feel relaxed and will get sleep soon. These are the health benefits of sesame oil. Keep bedtime alarm. It's quite strange, right? Yes, it really works. Preparation is the key. Step number 2. Go to bed early. To go to bed early, what all we have to do? Complete the task before going to bed. First thing is we have to complete our dinner. Try to have dinner at least 2 hours before going to sleep and choose wisely. Don't have junk or heavy food. It will distract our sleep. Even if we wake up early, we'll feel lazy and tired. This is because a lot of energies goes in digesting the food. These are some wise choices. Best food to have as a dinner is soup. Foods that will help us to sleep better and faster. Take lukewarm milk 30 minutes before going to sleep with ashwagandha, saffron, turmeric, or cinnamon. Avoid taking tea or coffee after 5 pm. Keep head in east to have better sleep. Sleeping in left side will help us to have a better digestion and it will be easy for us to have a sound sleep. Step number 3. Prepare your mind. Tell yourself and decide what time you have to wake up. In subconscious mind, it will help us to wake up on that particular time. Tell to yourself again and again and find good reason to wake up. Step number 4. Find a real motivation. Feed your brain for stronger reason. Why? What is the reason? What is the purpose you are doing that? Why you are going to wake up soon? What all things you are going to achieve by waking up early? You need a strong reason if you really want to do something in life. I hope you all believe that having a good motivation to do something, it really helps us to enhance our mind and act accordingly to reach our goal. Step number 5. Conquer first 10 minutes. Somehow try to pass the first 10 minutes. Here are few tips which I am going to share with you all. These are real-time experience. It really worked well. Try to keep the alarm out of reach. What I did was I kept my mobile alarm outside of the room. So when I hear the sound, I just went all the way to hall and switched off the alarm. So in that way, my sleep got distracted and I felt fresh and I started my day. The other thing which I do normally is I just open my curtain and I will look for the sunlight to peep inside my room. You can sip 1 glass of warm water. It helps us to have a better digestion and start our day. Rub the palm and keep in ice. First day will feel little low in energy, and in few days our body will get adapt to new rhythm. I started to have a fixed schedule after practicing to wake up early in the morning. Benefits which I have got as a habit: not tempted to watch more videos or series in social media or just randomly scrolling the screen. I will try to sleep at a fixed time every day. Self-discipline is the only skill required to master any other skill. After few days, you can notice no alarm clock needed. My passion wakes me up every day. This is how we can train ourselves to get up early in the morning. I hope this video is useful, and if you really like the video, give a thumbs up and do comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.